Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Well, I get a lot of questions about videos and people wanting to see links to videos and may not understand how the iCards work. Now, on occasion, I do forget a video here and there to link to. So whenever you see me point up here to the corner and say, and I will link to that video right up here, one of the things you want to watch for is a little banner that will pop up right there. And you can click on that banner and then you will see a list of videos show up on the side here of the videos that I have linked to within this video. And that's not just me, but that goes for other channels as well. A lot of channels will use this option because it's an easy way to incorporate related videos into the video that you are currently watching, so that you can go back and see the things that, like, you know, for me, maybe I have a video on how to dehydrate tomatoes, and then later I might be doing a video showing me how I use these tomatoes, but maybe you came in new and didn't see the video I did on how to dehydrate tomatoes. So I will include that in a link up in here when I'm talking about that. But then sometimes people still get confused and don't know how to use that, and the way you use them on your computer will differ slightly than the way you use them on the smart device. So I'm going to show you both ways on how to use those iCards and where to find them even if you don't see the banner show up. Here we are with my friend Stacy from Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. Very informative video on a very great channel if you haven't checked them out yet, so I suggest you do so. But what you're going to see here, I'm going to hit play, and right up here in the upper right hand corner you're going to see a banner appear. Okay, so watch for it. It's going to be a couple seconds here and you'll see it show up. Okay, right there. When you see that banner show up, you can click on that banner. Okay, that's one way to do it. Now, if you don't see the banner because you're busy watching the video and it's just, you just don't happen to see it pop out, but if there's any mention of a video, if anybody mentions, oh, you can check out this video up here, then all you have to do is hover your cursor over the screen. You see what happens here? You see this little eye? This is going to show up whenever you hover your cursor anywhere over the screen. Go up and click on that eye, and what you'll see is a list of videos, just like you did when you clicked on the banner itself. So at any time you can go to these. So once you click on those videos, it will open in a new window in that video. So you want to watch the onions video, and that's all you have to do, and it will open in a separate window while this video gets paused. Okay, so that's how to do it from your computer. And then if you want to go back to the video, you got to close that and then just hit play again. Okay, so now I'm going to show you next how to do it on a smart device. Alright, so here we are on my iPhone, and I've got a video, one of the last live videos with Danny and Wanda over at Deep South Homestead. Again, I recommend you check them out. So while the video is playing, if you don't see the card pop up there, all you have to do is touch the screen and see what happens. You're given all these options. Did you see that little eye? Before it disappears, touch that eye, and then right below you'll see the recommended videos show up, and then you can click on the video from there. Okay, and so let's see if this one has one. Okay, now let's turn it this way. Now, if you do that with it this way, the videos will show up along the side like they do when you're watching it from the computer. And again, just touch it and it will take you to that very video. And that's how it works. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful, especially to those of you who are new to YouTube in general or new to my channel, and you just didn't even have an idea that that was an option. Now again, sometimes I do still forget to link a video that I say I'm going to, and so don't be afraid to ask, because it can be hard to remember to get all the different links that I say I'm going to put up there when I'm trying to go through the video and edit and add those in. So don't be afraid to remind me in a comment down below, and I'll make sure that that link gets in there if there's room, because sometimes I go overboard because you're only allowed 5 iCards up there. So again, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.